Right, so this is self-mobilisation of your thoracic spine. It's great for any thoracic problem, whether it be scoliosis or whether it be the more specific conditions like costochondritis, where you've got a tremendous stiffening of the back of the spine, and then the rib comes around like a bucket handle and joins the sternum. That causes the intercostal muscles to go into spasm, which could make it very difficult for you to take a breath, but it can also give these awful gusts of pain where you literally feel as if you've got a dagger through the chest. That all starts off with stiffness here where the rib joins the spine. So the first thing you do is to use a common or garden pair of socks rolled up into a ball like that, that's just right, squashy. You place it on the floor almost right up. You can either start at the bottom or the top. Perhaps I will start at the bottom here. And you put it dead centre on the spine. So you can walk around if you need to, Judy. I've got it there dead centre. I lower myself down and I can feel it there. Now, any which way I can move to actually move my body down over the pair of socks that stays stationary. And I'm actually pulling myself down here, rather cheating, pulling myself on the side of the mat. When I get to my problem one, which is right there, I'll stay there. And I'll actually bring my feet closer to my bottom because it's much easier to lift my bottom the closer the feet are. And I will raise myself onto that pair of socks, which is quite exquisitely painful, and I will tip left and right. So I'm going from costovertebral joint there at T12, where I had an injury with a surf boat oar spearing my back. Now I'm rolling off it a bit, so I'm rolling down to get on it again. I lift my weight to exert more pressure, and then I tip left to right, and that's exquisitely painful. It's like you mobilising that spinal segment yourself. And then I can actually move over a bit more, and I didn't show you this in the class just a moment ago. I'm now going out where I'm actually getting the pair of socks under the rib itself, lifting my bottom and tipping over onto the rib. And that's my 12th rib. Remember, that's a floating rib. And I'm mobilising the rib there rather like a crowbar, pushing and using the rib to loosen that costovertebral junction, which is very heavily invested, remember, through the costovertebral joint and the costotransverse joint. So very tightly bound to the spine is that rib. And because of the old injury creating scar tissue, the collagen all tangles up and knots up, and I'm literally kneading it by going from the costovertebral joint out to the rib itself. And there we go. And then I'll move off that and I'll go up the spine a bit more, and I'll use this technique again of dragging myself up. And it's very interesting that I can feel a different musical note of pain at every level. There's another one up there, another one up there, again getting up towards the hunchback area, the text neck. There's another beauty. Up I go, pressing more onto it, really enjoying that. Actually, I'm going to, it's actually better to do it unclothed. Not that I'm going to do that here, but, and then I can go above it. And if you have to move yourself up and change it, oh, that's beautiful. It almost takes your breath away when you find one that won't move. And it's an exquisite pain that you want to keep. So you're looking for the pain. Remember that, you're looking for it. And there it is. That's higher than I was before by about 4 levels. And then I'm going to actually sit up. In fact, I might move everything up a bit. This is what you have to do in reality. You might put the pair of socks up here, right at what I call the coat hooks, C7, T1. Up I go again. Oh, that's delicious. Oh. Now I'm rocking from left to right there. As I go over the centre, the spinous process, it's pretty uncomfortable, but I'm doing a lovely PA pressure there. And there I'm onto the rib junction. Ooh, that's sore, but it's sweet pain. I love it. There's nothing
but really it's nothing short of what it is, sweet pain, but you're looking for it. And I'm much more sweet pain on the right because I'm right-handed, nothing much at all on the left. I won't waste time there. Stay over there. Oh, that's lovely. There it is, and that's my second rib I'm on there. See how I'm tipping over on the right? That's absolutely lovely. And there we go. I'm going to follow with 2 more little short snaps of the next 2 exercises. And there we go. And I come down. And there we go. That's enough, Judy.
What was that?